Alright, so how's it going, everybody? It's been a long time since I've done a trade recap, but trade recap today on how I made 3,381.42 in 6 minutes and 31 seconds. You can see the P&L here, and this was taken across 3 accounts. So the biggest day that I've had, and also if you include the evals, that's like 11,000. If you include, where do I go? Do I go here? No. Boom. Another 2.73 across 3 accounts. So, anyways, evals doesn't really matter. You know, the actual funded accounts right here, we actually made quite a lot in a small time period of 6 minutes 31 seconds. So let's go through the trade and why I took it. Unfortunately, I was like literally a few seconds away from actually, having this show the green thing. Unfortunately, I was a bit late to that. But anyways, let's get into this. Boom. What is this? All right. Boom, boom. So MES is looking here, MNQ is right here. And so, first of all, you can see that. So you can see first of all that we do have this very big SMT, but that's very old, doesn't really matter. But then straight off market open, we get this bearish SMT on NQ and this bullish one on ES. You can see the small one here. And not only that, we start to really displace nice from this hourly gap. Daily is also looking interesting. You can see how the daily has closed here. I mean, this is different, but like, yeah, to be honest, the daily isn't really showing me much, but the 1 hour really is showing me quite a lot. We've retraced back into that gap. And 4 hour right here as well. Nice clean SMT straight off market open, leading on ES. So yeah, boom right here, literally 9:30. SMT, boom, and then what happens straight after you get the SMT? You've retraced back into 5-minute gaps here, boom, boom, and also not that one, oh no, not that one as well. But okay, so these two 5-minute gap, price has retraced back into, boom, and you can see the liquidity move here. The liquidity move here is quite insane. You can see how this 5-minute gap closes. Or at the time I was actually trading it, I didn't see it close. I don't think so because I already entered. But you can just see from how strong this push up here, the displacement on this trade is very strong. You've had everything, 15-minute also. There's no crazy 15-minute gap opposing me going to TP. Really, every single one was clean. We had this one here, and that already got invalidated. Everything was looking clean. Once again, taking on ES because it is the leading pair. Right here, we have a higher high. Boom, we're in, and then bang, displacement. I look for a 1-minute entry confirmation, strong displacement. You could have honestly entered on this candle here, which would have been fine, but I entered on this candle right here. Nice CISD form, change in state of delivery right there. Pretty textbook setup, and everything was there. It was A plus. The narrative was there, everything was there, and I was confident in it, and so I took it. And yeah, pretty quickly we went to TP on this trade. Nothing too crazy, but a good start. We have one more day and one more winning day, and then we get another payout. So yeah, if you all enjoyed this, be sure to DM me LAN, and I'll literally help you one-on-one to get funded, to get paid out. So if you want to learn how to do this, might as well just DM me. If not, it's pretty cool. I mean, the free guidance is still there, and you can see on NQ we created this bearish gap here, but I did not take a short into this right here of market open, because the market open candle, the first candle from market open, you can see if I drop down to the 1 minute, and first of all I'll be targeting all right, the draws here, I mean the target here was this right here. It was a bit beyond this retrace, and the London high or something was here, but I didn't target that. But you can see I didn't go short straight off market open, because if we did target this, you can see, okay, well, why is that getting changed? Well, I have not done trade recaps, and like, yeah, I should really get back on the grind on that, but you can see that, no, that's wrong. Which one was it? There was a short that formed on market. I think it was this. Yeah, it was most likely that. Let me check. So yeah, with this one, if you were targeting there, it would have been fine. Honestly, this looked like a good short, but the thing is, 1 minute into market open at 9:30 a.m. and we took that draw. So immediately, we're back into a bullish gap. I'm looking bullish immediately. I'm no longer looking for shorts. From market open, pre-market, I was actually a bit more, okay with taking shorts, but this displacement was way too much, way too quickly. Hit the draw. Not gonna do. And yeah, that's about it. Is there anything else I can? No, I mean,